Hello, hope you are having a nice time. This is Anna. What is your name?
Femi.
Nice to have you here for me. Would you like to play some game?
Yes.
Cool. Say, let's play.
Let's play.
Okay, listen. I am taken from a mine and shut up in a wooden case for which I have never released, and yet I am used by almost every person. What am I? If you know the answer, say it. If you don't, say, I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Or is it pencil?
Correct. If you want to play more riddles, say more.
More.
The ocean waves rumble, the lagoon waves rumble, but the troublesome child dips his head in it. What is it? If you know the answer, say it. If you don't, say, tell me.
Tell me. Tell me.
Sorry, the answer is the cooking spoon. If you want to play more riddles, say, next.
Next.
Who is it that wines and dines with the king uninvited? If you know the answer, say it. If you don't, say, what's it?
That's a fly. Housefly. Housefly.
Excellent. You know your African riddles. If you want to play more riddles, say, another.
Another.
He is not a priest. He is not an elder. But he has the longest beard. Who is he? If you know the answer, say it. If you don't, say, tell me.
The egot.
You are right. You must have spent some time in the village. If you don't, say, riddles.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Cool.